Okay, I wanted to show you guys some examples of how DDAmanda found some real runners. Okay, this is the DDAmanda board on Investors Hub, and it has a lot of examples of how she found these things. Like here, LIBE back on in September. Okay, this was an early 149 factor scan way back when. Okay, when she was in the trips. Okay. And then she had this huge day here, alright? So this was kind of maybe some insider buying or something, I don't know what, but the fact is if you could have got ones or twos and waited a little bit, you would have, you could have sold like a 13 bagger here at the top and at least a 10 bagger, okay? So let's look at another one, HMNY. Okay, this one is off a 200-day low. It was combined with a 9 factor. Okay, so that alerted on September 16th at 14, and the next day she was between 13 and 24. You could have got in there somehow, and look at that, high of 44, closed at 34. Okay, another one, AXXA. Let's see, look at this one. Yeah, this one had some early factors. A 21 with 483,000 traded, and then a 7. And then she goes, like here she's at, the next day she's at 141, 170 price, and here she is, she goes up to 3 cents. 319 closed here. Let's look at some more. CLSI. This one had an 8 factor on September 25th. It was 440, okay. Closed at 290. The next day she's from 178 to 310. Okay, so you could have got in there, this range right here, and look at this. 3 days later she trades almost $3 million. Closes at 8 cents. Next day has a high at 9 cents. You see what I'm saying? So that's how, there's a lot of examples here. You can go look at them. They're on Investors Hub. And check out the DDAmanda board. And here's the other really cool thing. Let's say somebody mentions a stock. Like, say somebody mentions Faggy, for instance, which is one of my favorites. You just go here and you type in Faggy, hit enter, and now you're looking at Faggy, which had a really nice run just recently, okay? I mean, she's dropped, so, there's a lot of profit taking, so she dropped down. But look at this. A penny, even down to the double zeros, a 200-day low of 46, and then she comes up with a 12 factor, okay, at 118, okay. 95 the next day, between double zero, 95 and 18, and look at this. Then she starts going. Here's another 26 factor that could have clued you into something going on here. 2.5 cents, 2.5 cents, 4 cents. High of 5 cents here, There's your solid 4-bagger, okay? So, somebody mentions a stock symbol. Punch it in here. Anybody got a stock? VPRB, let's see what VPRB is doing. This one's kind of one of my favorites. These guys are OTCQB. Oh, look at that. They're at a 200-day low. And this is a pretty solid company. You guys remember SHMP? Let's see what's going on with her. SHMP. Yep. Okay, she's had a lot of downtrends since the early days. I mean, this is one of my craziest stocks ever. I mean, going back, look at this. Well, this is January, but even last year she had just an amazing run. Well, this is it right here, okay? 200-day low, right? 10 factor at 4 cents. 8 factor, $2 million traded, 7 cents. Look at this. 94 cents. SHMP, baby. $36 million traded. And you would have been alerted way earlier before this, okay? I mean, she's crapped out since then, slowly but surely. Here's a 100-day low of 6 cents. She's bottomed out a little bit, trading pretty good dollars. And maybe she's bouncing. Who knows? I mean, this looks halfway decent. Okay, that's just another factor of DDAmanda that's really cool and will help you a lot. Okay, bye for reals this time.